Hello everyone. As you all know, big companies like Wipro, Cognizant and Capgemini use the Superset platform to hire freshers. So, having a Superset account is very important if you want to work in companies like these. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a Superset account. And also, if you are preparing for interviews and looking for the complete hiring process of companies like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, and LTIMindtree, then subscribe to this channel. So, let's start the video. First of all, open your browser and search for Join Superset. The first website you will see is joinsuperset.com. Open that website. As you can see, this is the home page. Now click on Sign Up. After that, click on Start Registering. Now, a new page will open where you have to fill in your details. Enter your name, date of birth, gender, and your college name. Then create a password. Solve the CAPTCHA and click on Save and Proceed. Next, enter your email. Make sure you use your personal email. Do not use your college email. Now click on Verify. You will receive an OTP. Enter the OTP and your email will be verified. After that, enter your address and click on Save and Proceed. Now, on this page, if you have already completed your degree, select the first option. If your last semester exam is pending or you have given the exam but have not received your degree yet, then select the second option. Next, choose your field of study and your graduation degree. Now select your course duration. If you don't remember the exact month, you can choose months like April, May or June, as most sessions start or end during these months. Then select your pass-out year. Enter your university roll number or registration number. Select your current semester. Now this option is very important. Lateral entry means you took direct admission after the first year. Do not select this option because many companies do not allow lateral entry students. Now enter your percentage. If you have any active backlogs, select this option. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. Then click on Save and Proceed. Now, enter your previous education details for class 10th and 12th and click on Save and Proceed. Next, if you have done any internship, you can enter the details. This step is optional, so even if you skip it, there will be no problem. Now, upload your profile photo. Make sure your photo is clear and professional. Then click on Save and Proceed. Congratulations! Your Superset account is now created. You can see all your details here. In the Job Profile section, you can see the jobs you have applied for and their status. All jobs are listed with eligibility criteria, and if you are not eligible, it will also show the reason. In the interview section, you can check your interview dates and status. That's it for this video. And also, if you are preparing for interviews and looking for the complete hiring process of companies like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, and LTIMindtree, then subscribe to this channel.